Hi, it's me, Savannah from Sav's Life, and today we're going to be making rice crackles, or chocolate rice crackles. And, this is Neptune, my fish.
Special guest.
My special guest, Neptune, my fish. He's adorable, he's a fighting fish. And this chocolate crackle recipe comes from Australia's best recipes. So, should we get to it? Yes, we should. So first we need 4 cups of rice puff. Oh, can't you put it in my thing? Thank you. And this is the cup I'm using. It's metal. And now all I need to do is, I don't know, take the thing out. As you can see, guys, it's going to be a disaster. No, it isn't.
Worried over it.
As my dad's directing me behind the camera, say hi.
Hello.
I think that's a cup. That's a cup. Oh, that's a cup.
Chuck it in.
1. Oh no. I'm losing control. Help, Dad. Thank you. Is that a cup?
Yep, chuck it in. 2 more to go.
Thank you, Dad. My helper.
Over the thing so you don't lose any.
He's a good dad, everyone.
Thank you.
He's a good dad, and he's going to do a pressure cooker channel, aren't you?
You are.
I can be the host.
You are the host, yep.
But you have to be in the video.
I'll be the cameraman, as I am
1
now.
cup of icing sugar. This always ends in disaster. Okay, so guys, so ready to get your popcorn and your soda and your stuff, and we'll just wait for disaster. And by the way, I live in Australia, if anyone's wondering. So I'm professional. Sorry guys for the hold up. Someone didn't open the icing sugar before this video. Okay,
That's not a cup.
sorry guys. I know how to handle this.
Yep, pour it in there.
As I told you guys, I hope you've already got your popcorn. Because I've already used the wrong measuring thing. Okay, give me the icing. Because I've already used the wrong thing and it's going to be funny.
It's alright, disaster was averted.
It was adverted, we poured it in. No icing sugar's being wasted in this video. And my brother's going on a flight because that's his fish. He's going to Melbourne today and he's going to go to Auckland. So, and if you're watching from New Zealand, he's going to you. He's coming for you.
For a holiday.
For a holiday, not anything bad. He just wants to see a beautiful tourist attractions. Oh, I need to fix this up.
Come on, give it another go. It'll come.
Come!
Need a hand?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Guys, this is really funny.
You watch it pour out now.
Ah! No. Stop.
That's about a cup. Sav, hygiene please.
Hygiene.
For the camera.
Important. Next is 1 cup of decinated coconut. Oh yeah, I forgot. We're using rice puffs, okay, the Coles brand. And this is, icing sugar. Do not open it like I did. This is Mackenzie's decinated fine coconut. Fine decinated coconut.
Desiccated, I believe.
Decinated.
Desiccated.
Do not follow Savannah Stanley's example. Do not follow Savannah Stanley's example, everyone. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, come on, put a cup.
And this time use the right cup. Coconut's so pretty. isn't it?
Give it a shake so it levels out. And add a little bit more. A little bit more.
Coconut is so pretty,
Oh, do.
And don't you guys agree?
Oh, it's delicious.
Who asked you?
Okay.
Now 5 tablespoons of Coles brand cocoa powder, which is going to go wrong. Everyone, I really hope you have your popcorn. If you don't, guys, just get your popcorn and wait. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Disaster might be averted because Savannah has an idea.
I'll quickly
He needs to
turn this.
Yeah, he needs to.
The pressure off on the pressure cooker. Get ready for it. Now we're back. Treat it like an ad break, Sav.
It was an ad break.
Okay, that's one. How many you got to do of those?
5.
Oh, beautiful. Chuck them in.
1. 2. Is this my fault?
Yes.
Okay. If my dad wasn't here, it would have been a disaster, so thank you for him being here.
Thanks, Sav. All right. Okay, and then we got the last ingredient.
Never try cocoa powder, it tastes horrible.
All right. Okay. What's this stuff called again?
Copha.
Okay, this is hot. It's been melting, so be
Melting.
careful, Sav. I'll hold this.
Yeah.
Pour it in. Okay, now you need your
Look at
wooden
the fish,
spoon
everyone.
and get mixing before it gets cold.
Everyone, look at the fish, he's so cute.
Oh yeah, he's hungry as well. Okay, mix it in, Sav.
Why does it smell good? Well, I'll put these out the way so that you guys can see.
Yep.
How you make. Don't forget to check out Matthew's Christopher channel. And he's embarrassed to do one, which is really bad, and it embarrasses me.
That's what dads are for.
They taste good.
Okay, give it a good mix.
Savannah's good at mixing, everyone, so if you want Savannah some,
Even Neptune looks hungry.
he wants some, but never give fish this. Only give them fish food. And sorry that we didn't do the video of us cleaning Neptune's tank. Well, we were unprofessional and we forgot. It was okay, guys. No disasters. Your mum didn't need any popcorn to watch it. It was good.
Fish is still live for evidence. Yeah, so Jamie can see.
Jamie, you're watching Jamie. He's happy, and we're making this without you. Maybe next time we'll give you the recipe. And did I already say that it's from Australia's best recipe?
Yep.
Yeah, I did. If you guys didn't watch the intro, it's from Australia's best recipe. Maybe film on top so that you can see it. Sorry guys, so many bloopers. No, you're not getting a spoon to try it, are you?
Well, that's the part of doing it at home. Yeah, there's your spoon for you. Hopefully you got a spoon there full for Daddy.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Guys, definitely try this at home.
Delicious.
Try this at home, okay?
Okay, I'm going to put them in patty pans.
You ready?
Yeah, you've incorporated as well. Oh, no, you haven't incorporated there. Good mix.
My dad chose purple because this is his favourite colour.
Oh, okay.
And I don't mind purple. Or should we put them in different coloured patty pans?
It's up to you. We've got that many of them. As long as...
Okay, show them. Show them how many. Yeah, we have tons.
I think we've got enough.
Yeah, because in Coles they come in big packs because those are all the same. Which are...
Okay. Is it all incorporated stuff?
There's still some melted bits at the bottom.
I'll get into it.
I think I need a push.
Just let me check a bit.
Why do these things taste so good?
What's that? It's a good recipe. Mix that in, Sav. Then we're pretty much done.
Maybe for your birthday, bring these in for your class. Because they're super easy. Well, I wouldn't call them super easy, but a bit easier than cupcakes.
Yeah. And tasty.
And takes less time. You can just whip out these ingredients, maybe, yeah.
Alrighty. You're going to put them in patty pans?
Just making sure they're refrigerated. I'm a good mixer.
Hey, don't forget the middle. Yeah. Alright then. So we'll put one in a patty pan and then, what's it called? That'll be the video.
Yeah.
Okay.
One in the patty pan and then I'll do the ending bit.
You get it out, Savvy.
I'm the person. Is that one? Yeah, that's one. Now I think you use a spoon, yeah. And just put it right in there. And you need no oven for this, guys. It's oven free.
You're chucking them in the fridge.
And it's kids friendly. So some kids, older kids can do it themselves.
Except for when you melt the copha.
I'm going to say that.
Okay, sorry.
Kids can do it in themselves, but make sure there's adult supervision for melting the copha.
Okay, that's enough.
No, it is stuck in the hole. There, that's good, everyone.
Okay.
Thank you for watching Sav's Life, and I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, or the next time I film.
Okay, and Netchum says bye.
Bye.
And me too. Bye.